All right, boy, it's warm in here. I need to get a rough estimate how much insulation I'll need, how many rolls. If I remember right, I think you get about 4, I don't know, stud cubby holes, whatever you call them. 4 out of 1 roll, so that'd be a roll. We'll just call that a roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 rolls. 4 rolls. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10. And I think up here I'm gonna do what I did in the screen patio. I'm just gonna lay that foam board across there. Or, you know, I don't know. Or I may stick it up in there. I don't know which way to go with that yet. But yeah, it needs insulated. And that, they got that on 24 on center, so probably just, it's not gonna really take up any less, but yeah, if I put it on, if I screw it to that, that's gonna be an inch higher, or an inch lower to the ground. So I'll probably go up inside here. I don't know. We'll get to that point when I get the stuff. But I don't even have anything for this yet, so I don't know. But it has to get done before winter if I want to get in here and use it, or it's going to be cold in here. Yeah. And I have not decided. Those vents are an issue if you're trying to keep heat or air conditioning in, so I got to figure if I'm going to maybe just close a little part of that off, but that kind of kills your ceiling space. But I don't think it's gonna, you know, I can always put a little cover on them. No, you don't want to unvent them. I don't know. These are designed to be storage facilities, not workshops. But that can be changed. I'll come up with something. I do know that I'm not gonna have like a level ceiling. I'm gonna leave it pitched like that. All right, welcome to the channel, guys. Ouachita Mountain Living. It's too warm to be in here, so I'm gonna go out there. No, I am not gonna buy an air conditioner tomorrow because we have 1 hot day left. So I'll just wait and do this another day. Oh, the girls just ate. Did you eat it all? Yeah, you were in the last movie. You're gonna be in this one too? Of course, you gotta be in it. But you know who wasn't in the last movie? Rooster. I don't think she's been in a movie in a while. There's Rooster. Yeah, Rooster's out. Come on, girls. You wanna come see Rooster? Here they come. They love Sister Rooster. They came running to see you, Rooster. Yeah, they did. Yeah. Well, you're ignoring her. Go see Rooster. Come up here, Rooster. Come up here on the porch, and then, because they're tall. And then that way you'll be the same height as them. All right, no more butt lickings. I forgot I had that carpeting that I had in the screen patio. I'm not putting it back in there. I could put that in the shed, the new building probably. I think that's 10 by, no, it's not even close. It's 10 by 12. No, that might be. I think that's 10 by 14, something like that. I don't know. Nah, that'd just be hard to sweep out, and I don't really need that in there. But some of this stuff's going to find its way into the new building. Like I say, I got to organize all the tools. Some of them will be going in there because they'll be needed in there, but some of them's going to stay in here. I mean, I don't need a dozen saws in that building. I don't need any of the air nailers and things like that. I don't need 2 shop vacs over there, but now I got a shop vac for over there, don't I? Because I got 2 of them. I went and bought that because I forgot I had that. And when I cleaned the shed out, I found that because I forgot I had one. But that one over there is much nicer. But yeah, that's why it's important to have your things organized. because you don't know you have something. Then you end up with more than one, which isn't a bad thing. Well, yeah, a lot of this will stay in here. The auger, the toolbox there. I probably find a whole bunch of tools in these boxes to go back in the toolbox where they originally was. But as far as, like the picks and things like that, I'll probably give that to Jeff. He could probably use that. I don't know. No, because his shed to house is already plumbed, and that's too thin to run the water from the meter. He needs 3/4 pecks on that. But yeah, pretty much everything gonna stay in here. It's just a little more organized. That foam's just in there temporarily, so I didn't want it blowing away outside or getting damaged. I do need to get out here and pull that lawnmower battery. That's on the list. All right. Well, I better get out here and shut these windows because they say rain's coming in 2 hours. You know what? I'm gonna wait because Miss Millie's there and she's scared of the shed when I open the door. Yeah, we're supposed to get all kinds of bad weather coming. Thunderstorms, and then we're going to go into freezing temperatures. Wonderful. I don't remember if I've had a bad rain after I put in the French drain. I can't recall. Because when that happened in there with the puppies and all that, that was like February. Then I dug the French drain. But I don't think we've had a bad one since that. So I really haven't given it yeah, we have had a few. We've had a few, and this was gushing, I remember. But I don't remember if it got in the patio. I think it did just a little bit. Yeah, we're supposed to get up to 4 inches of rain. Darn UPS driver, or FedEx driver ran that over. So hopefully when the water comes a gushing, I need to clean that out a little bit. Yeah, not the best spot to have this. But it's done. I gotta remember to go shut them windows. Don't want the new building getting wet. Let's check in on these guys. So just in Oklahoma, one state over, it's in the 50s. What are you doing, boy? You got this blanket all stretched out? And you got your cool machine going? This is probably going to be the last day that's going to run. But it's hot today. What are you guys watching now? A bird show? Why are you watching geeses? Huh? Alright. Alright. I better go ahead and shut these windows. She's never going to move. You guys better enjoy today, because the rest of the week's going to be gobbledygook. And I got to stuff your dog houses with some more cedar chips or pine chips, because there's some days going down into the 20s at night. All right, let me shut these things. Guys, you're scared of me in the window. That girl is scared of everything. All right, there's that one then. I got this one down yonder. I'll let you have your spot box back, Millie. Alright, I didn't hear that kind of click on this one. Did it lock? Yep. Alright. I can leave that out here. I'm doing a review on that tomorrow. So that stuff can stay out. Of course, the solar panel, it's just going to be for show because we're not going to have any sun. All right, man, I'm anxious to get going on this, but I got to wait till I get insulation. I mean, nothing else goes down until the insulation's up, because I got to build work. I'm going to build, I ain't really decided. I don't want the whole shed taken up by workbenches. So I think in one of these corners, I don't think I'm going to go all the way across. Probably come out about halfway. Have a little table here for the laser printer and stuff. I'm going to need some little shelves to put the battery, portable battery banks on. But Yeah, I don't think I'm putting any sheetrock or any of that on there. Not right now. We just worry about the insulation. That's all it needs for now. And then later, if I want to do something like that, I can. But when I do make the benches, I'm going to make them where they're movable. You know, I can still screw them into the wall, but if I want to move them somewhere else in the future, then I can just simply take the drill and take a few screws out, and they'll move around. And we're going to need one of the walls probably with a few shelves on it, and possibly maybe this wall have all pegboard, hang tools on and things like that. I mean, this is not a storage shed. I'm gonna do things in here to make extra income. So the only tools that are gonna be in here are the tools that I use when I do my stuff. Whatever stuff I decide I'm gonna do. With that laser machine, that can go maybe in the center of the room. I don't know. But you can engrave all kinds of things with that. Wood, glass. I think it does glass. Metal. It cuts. It doesn't just engrave, it'll cut it. You can cut out jigsaw puzzle pieces, stuff like that. All right, it's pretty warm in here still. And yes, that is paint. That's the colors of this shed. They give you an extra. Looks like that one's upside down. Yes. Got it, didn't leak. So if I need to do touch-ups, I got the paint and the names of the color. All right, let me shut this thing up. I am not ready for freezing temperatures yet. It's too early. I have to get those girls' heated bucket. I hope it's in here. Not today, but tomorrow. Actually, I should do it today. They have a heated dog bucket for their water. I've seen it, but I don't know what I did with it. I may have took it out. No, it's probably behind this crap. I already got stuff in the way. But yeah, they got a heated dog bucket for their water so that it won't freeze. I know I have it. I just don't know where it is yet. Can't be too hard to find. The place ain't that big of a mess. I think it's down. No, it wouldn't be down there. That's the saw. I don't know, man. It's here somewhere. I specifically remember seeing it and saying, yep, I'm gonna have to get this going. But I don't think I took it outside, did I? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get back in there later. I gotta get a new lock for this. This thing's a pain in the butt. It was Libby's old bowl. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. We'll get it. Alright, I need to take a walk around, make sure anything that shouldn't be out, that could get wet, is not out. I think I pretty much got everything under control. You silly girls. Well, let me get that old brick out of your way. Now, let's get this block out of your way, Mel. You guys already got that moss all scruffed up under there. Let me move this. Old Millie. Waddles, you finally come out. You guys were cooped in there all day and it was nice. They said it was going to rain 2 hours ago. Ain't seen nothing, but I do know it's coming. Well, hi, sweet girl. Yeah, you guys like that building, don't you? Yeah, you do. I don't think I left any tools or anything back here. Let's go look. Man, getting a lot of leaves. No. Everything's put up. don't know how long this video is. I can't think of nothing else, guys. This is a very tough challenge doing these 31 days of videos, because coming up with stuff ain't the easiest, I'll tell you that. But we'll get this one up, and hey man, we only got what, 4 more days? That's cool. And then we're home free. And it's doing pretty good. Wow. And oh, I'm on the wrong channel. But I wanted to thank, I got a lot of new members on the Dogman channel yesterday. There were some gifted in the live stream. I didn't even know you could do that. And I went from like 10 members to 21. Man, I can't, it's getting dark out, guys. Let me get there. 10 members to 21. So that's cool. And you can have members on this channel too, if you guys want to buy a membership on this channel. As I get, you know, now I got to start doing stuff for that. Putting videos up. I think I did it one time. I put a video up early. I'll come up with more stuff, but the time is not this month. In November, when things slow down, I'm not doing 2 videos a day. I'll come up with some things for the members. So that does help. It really does. So, but nobody's obligated to do that. It's just there. So, all right, guys. I don't know what else to do. We could puppy dog look for a minute. I got one coming. You can go hone on in on the puppy. What are you doing? You checking to make sure you didn't leave any good toys out before the rain comes? You guys know you could get under that building and stay dry, but you're better off in your dog houses. You go to the highest part to jump up. Yeah. What is there? Are you chewing on an acorn? You're goofy. That's bird poop. No, it ain't. It's a piece of bark. You're a bark-eating puppy. Silly as it can be. There's Big Bird. You're gonna flip them around. You know, Millie's gonna see that. Yeah, it ain't very windy, but I imagine it will be when this storm blows in. It's supposed to come in from there. Who knows? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy trails. Boy, in here going nuts. What are you doing? You be scratching on the door. That brother's all wound up. Why you all so wound? Slow down. You're too wound up. At your age, you shouldn't be so wound up. But you're wound up. Smells like stinky puppies in here. I gotta wash some blankets. And then when I wash them, he takes them outside because then he can't smell himself on them. You guys got commercials on here. I gotta go do a movie. Nobody wants to see you guys. What is it that was so important? Huh? Won't you guys chill for a while? There was no giant red elephant in your yard. There was not. And he had a suit on. Now you are telling stories. Because only blue elephants wear suits. Yeah. I don't know, maybe you found a porthole to another dimension, but in this country, blue elephants wear suits, not red ones. Willie, did you see this elephant? Of course you didn't, because the boy didn't see it. He makes up stories. Say goodbye. Now, what do you want? Just because you hear him barking, you think so? You know, you already got your treats. You already got them. Yeah, you already did. No more.